Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down in order to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore, and as you can see here we've got a whole Google Backup section. So let's tap on Backup Account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it as I've got the account. What's more, disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see here, we've got the information about the backup to the Google one. So you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically if it will be connected with the Wi-Fi. Will of course store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn on to finish. And as you can see, we've got our account added, which simply means that your device will right now back up the data to it. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.